Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at the noun condition. Condition. So if, if, if this happens, then that. You can come here on the condition if you behave. We can go there on one condition. We can go there on one condition. I drive. I drive. If. There are different conditions you need to follow. There are certain rules you need to follow. Certain things you need to do first. You or we will need to accept these conditions before we can do that. These things, these if you do this, if you accept that, if you say this, if you do this, then you can do the other thing. If. Yeah, if. Or condition, the state of something. Something. Thing. How something is. How it is. This book is in good condition. Yeah, it's very good, very clean. So, my books are in good condition. Yeah. My books are in good condition. They're very clean, not creased, very, very fresh. Yeah. They're in good condition. How it is. Clean, not damaged, not torn, not water damaged. It's very good. Good condition. Yeah. The car is in a bad condition and needs cleaning. It is in a poor condition. We need to clean it. Clean. Clean. It needs cleaning. How it is, clean. It needs to be clean. It's dirty. How is it? What is its condition? It is dirty. The condition is bad, basically. Bad. Not good. Since then, the condition has been strange. Since that thing happened, things have been bad. The condition of everything, the scenario, the situation, the condition, my condition, your condition, their condition. My condition is good. His condition is bad. Yeah. The condition of anything. The letter's condition is very clean. The garden's condition is bad. It is messy and the grass needs cutting. Yeah, makes sense. So that was an old condition. We ignore it now. An old condition, if. We used to have to follow that rule, that condition, but not anymore. We don't follow that rule anymore. Rule anymore. Yeah, no more. Yeah. And why is the condition strange? What happened? The flower. What's wrong with the flower? The condition looks good. What is wrong with the flower? It looks good. Yeah. How can it be in a strange condition? How can it be in a strange condition? It's fine. Smells nice, looks nice. It's blooming, the flower. What's the problem? What is the problem? Yeah. Over time, Conditions will improve. How things are will get better. How things are will get better. Yeah. How things are will get better. They'll improve. Just to get better over time. The situation we're in, the lifestyle, the restrictions, the things we have to abide by will get better. Things will improve. Things will get better. Yeah. 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 How cool is that? So yeah, so condition. If you can go there on the condition that I drive, we will go there on the condition we're there by Friday. The state of something. How? 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 Yes, the state of something. I'm in a good condition. He's in a bad condition. We're all in a good condition considering things. That house over there is in real bad condition. It needs cleaning and repairing. Okay, my book is in great condition. It is clean and not damaged. Amazing. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, can you write condition in a sentence? Yeah, put it in the comments below. Write your own sentence. And subscribe to me on YouTube. Subscribe and hit the bell notification. You can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yes. Oop. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.